morning, my dear students. Today I will explain the 4.1 chapter, Ancient Period. In that chapter, Conditions, Silent Futures of RS. In that chapter, I will explain the second point, Social Condition. This is also a 5 marks question. How the RS social condition. Already in the last class I explained the Aryas were divided into the early Vedic period and later Vedic period. Now we'll start the early Vedic period. How the early Vedic period social condition. Joint family was existed in early Vedic period. Early Vedic period. Early Vedic period, which family was existed means joint family. Joint family. Early Vedic period, the peoples, Aryans were following the joint family. Joint family was existed and also polygamy and polyandry was also existed. The eldest male member was also head of the family. They are called Kulapati. 1 marks question. Kulapati. Kulapati. Name the head of the family means Kulapati or Grihapati. He was the eldest male member of the family. They are considered he was the head of the family. The person is called Kulapati. Kulapati or Grihapati was the head of the family. And next, monogamy and polyandry was also existed. Monogamy was in OH. Polyandry, they are only considered as the which are the royal families. Widow remarriage. They encourage Aryans, early Vedic period peoples were encouraged the widow remarriage. After the death of the husband, the woman was again remarried the another man. That is called to the widow remarriage. Widow remarriage was also existed. The early Vedic period peoples will give respect for the women also. Both equal rights of the both men and women. The early Vedic period peoples give respect for the women, and they also give equal rights for the both men and women. Then we saw the many scholars in the early Vedic period. Who are the many scholars? Means first one, scholars, women scholars. This is 2 marks question. Vishwavara, Ghosha and Apala. Who are there means they are the women scholars in early Vedic period. Who are there means they are composed many books or hymns. Vishwavara, Ghosha and Apala. Next, they are considered caste system was also existed. In that period, Chaturvarnas, on the base of the professions, they are following the Chaturvarnas. 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 Chatur means how many? 4. On the base of the professions, early Vedic period was divided into the Chaturvarnas. Chaturvarnas means 4. So what are they 4 means? We know that Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra. Brahmana and Kshatriya, Vaishya And last one, Shudra. Based on the professions, the early Vedic period was divided into the four Chaturvarna, Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudras. So in that two, Brahmana and Kshatriya, the status will become very high compared to the Vaishyas and Shudras. Now these are the early Vedic period. Now we go to study the later Vedic period social condition. Later Vedic period. How the social condition of the later Vedic period. After the early Vedic period, later Vedic period social condition is very different. For example, the later Vedic period peoples were following the polygamy and polyandry also. The position of the woman is not good. The position of the woman status is not good, and also women have under the condition of under the control of women have under the control of father, husband and son. They will not free. So after Chaturvarnas is turned into the caste system. There existed caste system. Varnas they turn into the caste system, and Brahmana, Kshatriya become very high status compared to the Vaishyas and Shudras. What are the Varnas? Ashramas. How many ashramas? Means there are 4 ashramas. How many ashramas? Means there are 4 ashramas. So life is an individual divided. Ashramas they divide into the 4 lives. The one person was divided. So you take one person was living 100 years. 100 years means to divide it for the 25 years, 25 years, 25 years and 25 years. What are the ashramas? Means first one brahmacharya, gruhastha, vanaprastha and then sannyasa. First one brahmacharya, gruhastha, vanaprastha, last one sannyasa. On the based on the life was individual was divided into the life is an individual divided into the 4 ashramas: brahmacharya, grihastha, vanaprastha and sannyasa. You take 1 to 25 years. We consider that brahmacharya. In that brahmacharya, the humans, what they doing is this only for the study life. Brahmacharya life means only for the study life, 1 to 25 years. After the 25 to 50 years, they enter into the grihastha, married life. Third one, after the married, 50 to 75 years, vanaprastha. Vanaprastha means to meditation. The people after completing that grihastha, they enter into the meditation. Almost the retirement to the forest for the meditation. Where they live means the peoples were living in the forest. After that 75 to 100 years, they enter into the sannyasa. So sannyasa means, so the peoples after the 75 to 100 years, the peoples were living in some ashramas or matas. They spend their meditation and spend their time. So these are the ashramas. This 2 marks question. How many ashramas? 4. What are them? Is brahmacharya, grihastha, vanaprastha and sannyasa. Next, what type of the food the peoples were using in the social condition means both early Vedic period and later Vedic period. What type of the food they are using means they are using wheat, rice, barley and meat product. This type of the food they are using. Some fruits, some vegetables, both early Vedic period and later Vedic period peoples were take the from fruits, vegetables, rice, barley and wheat. After they use meat also, meat and fish. They also use meat and fish also. And one more important, soma and sura. What is that the soma and sura means? They are intoxicated drinking. The peoples, both early Vedic period and later Vedic period peoples were using only for the occasion. Festival times they are using soma and sura is the intoxicated drinking. Next to Aryas, they both early Vedic period and later Vedic period both they are using a woolen cloths and cotton cloths. Next to both men and women they love to the ornaments. They wear, both men and women were made by the gold, silver type of the ornaments they are using. After women's they using necklace, bangles, anklets and then earrings, stud. These are the variety of the ornaments they are using. Next, one more question, amusement. How they spend the time? The Aryas, how to spend the time is they're doing the gambling, charity race, horse race. These are the very music and dancing. These are the very important amusement of the Aryas. 2 marks question. What are the 2 important amusement of the Aryas? Means gambling, charity race, horse race. Thank you students. Next class I will explain the economic condition.